Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. NotebookLM is an AI-powered research and note-taking tool developed by Google. It can help you quickly summarize documents and convert them into the desired output format. After you use NotebookLM to generate a file, you can preview and download the slides. But there is a limitation. The file can only be downloaded in PDF format. Moreover, if any errors are found in the content, this would be a serious problem. Although the document looks like a presentation, it is actually not editable. You cannot directly select or edit the text. This is a major limitation of NotebookLM at present. So how do we solve this problem? This is where PDNob comes into play. You just need to put the downloaded PDF into PDNob and open it. PDNob leverages OCR technology to recognize and convert text from PDFs and non-editable presentation files. By enabling the OCR feature and analyzing the document, PDNob identifies text headings and layout, transforming the content into a fully editable format. Upon the completion of the process, you have the ability to directly edit the text, modify the slide structure, rewrite sections, or customize the content for diverse audiences. This allows for adjustments without the need to retype or rebuild the slides from the ground up. If you want to delete one of the slides, it is very simple. Just select it, right-click to delete, or simply press the delete key. Upon completion, the document can be saved as a PowerPoint file within this workflow notebook. LM is responsible for the thought process and summarization, whereas PDNob handles the editing. Collaboratively, they transform a lengthy article into an AI-generated summary, and then into a presentation that is ready for use. If your objective is to convert documents into editable PowerPoint files as efficiently as possible, this combination ensures a smooth and seamless process. That concludes today's video. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found this information useful, and I look forward to your feedback.